Lane Community College, Center for Accessible Resources. Testing process. In this video, Lane instructors will learn about the CAR testing agreement and testing agreement duplication process. The student requests a test accommodation and fills out a form scheduling the test and specifying the test accommodations they can receive. Then the system sends an email to the instructor containing a testing agreement for them to fill out. This agreement tells CAR the format of the test, how it will be delivered to us, what is allowed to be used on the test, and how to deliver the test back to the instructor. This information is meant to be about the test and not any one specific student. CAR systems automatically apply each student's accommodations to the information provided to determine their specific testing parameters. Instructors can upload the test to the CAR database, deliver the test to our office, have a CAR official pick it up from their office, or email it to us. They can also choose to get the scanned test emailed to them after the student takes it, pick up the test, or have it delivered to their office. Remember that return tests must be signed for. At the bottom of the form there is a space for instructors to upload their test to our database. It is very important that instructors submit the test to us and request any final changes to the test at least 24 hours before the student is scheduled to take the test. This gives the CAR testing coordinator the necessary time to produce the test in alternate formats or arrange for any other accommodations the student requires. If there are any last-minute changes to the test that you are providing to the rest of the class, the student testing in CAR needs the same information, so please email these changes to cartesting@lanecc.edu or call extension 5150 immediately. If you need help or have any questions about the testing process, email the testing coordinator at cartesting@lanecc.edu, call the testing center at extension 5280, or come to the CAR office. To find more information on the testing process, check out the CAR website's Testing Information section. This page is full of information about the CAR Testing Center and process. Now we'll learn about testing agreement duplication. When a student initially requests testing accommodations, a testing agreement is sent to faculty as a link in the letter of accommodation. This is automatically generated by our AIM database. The system allows faculty to fill out a single form rather than repeating the process for each student requesting accommodations. Our system will automatically sync the testing information listed in the first form filled out to the next student's test request, according to their specific accommodations. This eliminates the need for faculty to fill out the form for every student that has an accommodation. Very rarely does an issue arise that would require the faculty member to contact us and have a CAR advisor adjust the specific accommodations. If you plan to provide the requested accommodations yourself, check the box at the beginning of the agreement and you do not need to fill out the form. This is the most effective way to meet students' needs while minimizing workload on faculty. Students can contact CAR for a more individualized approach as well. If you have any questions or if you'd like to request this information in an alternate format, please contact the Center for Accessible Resources at 541-463-5150 or accessibleresources@lanecc.edu. Now you know about the CAR testing agreement and the testing agreement duplication process. See you soon! Brought to you by the Center for Accessible Resources.